What's up, everybody? Devin up here today. I got the Logitech 3-in-1. Want to go through it, unbox this, talk about this, have some fun with it, and let's get into it. So let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so that's nice. Logitech. So let's see what this is. Alright, so this is a charger for it. So I guess this is pretty much saying that you cannot use cases, well, certain cases, such as a case with a wallet attachment, a case with a magnet, and a case with a popper. Can't use these cases. They gotta be the bare phone or a clear case phone, which is understandable, so that's cool. Alright, so we're just gonna put this right here. Alright, so next, like I said, this is the charger for it, and this is just a small little pen charger right here. Let's see what's next. And this is the product itself. And look inside the box, and that's it. So easy, so simple, great. Before we get into this, let's look at the box. So if you look at the box, this is what it is compatible with. So it starts from the iPhone 8 and up to the current model, the 11 Pro Max as of 2020. For Galaxy, go to Galaxy 10e to the current model, Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It can go for the Apple AirPods and AirPods Pros, the Apple Watch, the first generation to the current generation, the Series 5. It can actually go with quad enabled headphones. Some examples: the Logitech Zone Wireless Plus, Logitech Zone Wireless, cases up to 3mm. So it looked like it can do just things besides phones. It can do accessories also, which is cool, such as cases, and other enabled phones, including the Google Pixel 4, Google Pixel 4 XL, Logitech G8 Thin Q, LG V40 Thin Q. All right, so 3-in-1 wireless charging up to 25 watts. So that's great. Compared to other competitors, it's usually between 7 and 10 watt. This goes up to 25 watts. So it powers up really strong, up to ×2 faster charging, whatever that means. Overheat protection, so that's great. So it's not gonna overheat. Fast charging for Apple/Samsung phones. I already mentioned the overheat protection. It has an overcharge protection, so that's great. It has a surge protection. It has a durable design, and it has a non-scratch surface. And all right, so you've seen the box. Let's put this all together. All right, so as I'm holding it, it's kind of heavy, just a little bit. You know, it has some weight to it. This is the bottom. You can definitely feel the quality, and they're right. It is scratch proof. Yep. There's rubber all around, so yep. So it passed the quality test. It's gonna do pretty good. It is gonna be very durable. Good thing my phone's about to die, as you guys see. So I'm gonna put this on the charger, continue this whole review while it's on the charger. All right, so it's in, put this on the charger, and this is pretty much it. I just placed my AirPods on it, so that's charging too. All right, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Can you take these off? No, you cannot take these off. It's on here, and it's pretty sturdy, which is totally fine. All right, guys, so this is it, the Logitech 3-in-1. And all right, so Logitech did a great job with this. I like it. I think it's nice and sturdy. Definitely good quality. I'm just looking at this. This is actually pretty good. Now, the price point of this is very expensive, and it goes for $130. Honestly, if they just made it $100, I like that. But just that $120 is very expensive, and it will last you for a while. So, I mean, the price point is at a decent price. At the same time, it is more on the expensive side, but it does make up for it for the 10 watt going up to the 25 watt charging power. That, I say, is a great buy. This will last you. You cannot take it apart. All right, that's it. This is Devin Up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon. Like, subscribe, share. gonna start doing giveaways really soon, very soon, because I'm almost to 100. Your boy at 92 right now in 2020. And we just have to just keep going up, you know? I appreciate you guys following me, watching me, supporting me. I really, really thank you. And I know it's small and not much, but like, I really do appreciate it, honestly, I really do. And I thank you guys for it. So like, subscribe, comment, share below. You know, let me know what you guys think about this, or what do you want to see in it. Have any questions for me, please let me know. I'll answer them for you. I'll do some tests for you. And I'm out. Thank you.